I have come up with another new discovery and I hope you will like it too. The robot was named Banga because it was made on the occasion of the birth century of father of the nation Bangabandhu Sheikh Mujibur Rahman. Can say he said if there is a fire in the house, office court or any other institution, the news will be conveyed to the nearest fire service immediately. In addition, if there is a leak in the gas cylinder, it will immediately inform the people in the house through a special signal. Again, if necessary, the robot will work as a primary teacher. If necessary, the robot will be able to give first aid as a doctor. At the same time, this robot will give advice to the farmers in their agricultural work, especially in dealing with crop disease. If you like the video, you must share it with everyone. Everyone will be fine and we are invited to watch the next video.